Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance, especially here on mobile. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your assets. You have actually two ways. So first one is the easiest one. Right here under your assets, just basically click on or tap on add funds. Okay. Now go ahead and tap on buy with USD or depending on your currency. Okay. So buy with the currency right here. Now in this section, you can go ahead and change the currency if you want to. If not, just leave it as is. Now what to buy right here in this section. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now as you can see here, we have Bitcoin. Now if you can't see Bitcoin, well, just go ahead and use the search bar and just type it down. Okay, type down BTC and here you have it. So just tap on it. Now enter the amount of USD or depending on your currency, of course, that you are willing to buy here for Bitcoin. For example, you'd like to top up $50. Now for $50, you'll receive this amount of Bitcoin. All right. So once that's done, you're going to want to tap on payment method and you'll be able to see a ton of payment methods right here, depending on where you're from. Okay. As you can see here, my region, my available payment method is card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, also AirTM. Or if you do have a money here under your fiat wallet, you can go ahead and add it in right here. Okay. So just hit on confirm. Now once that's done, preview order, wait for it to load. And then once it loads in the next page, okay, it will ask you for your payment details, like your card number, something like that. Or if you're using Payment Aid right here, you'll have to enter the code and continue. Okay, just basically follow simple prompts. And in no time, you'll have your Bitcoin right here under your assets. Okay, just like mine in here. That's basically it. Now, the other option is by going to trade. Okay, let's say, go ahead over to P2P right here. Okay, now buy USDT, tap on it, change it to Bitcoin. Now here's the available seller for this specific coin. Okay, well, just go ahead and tap on buy if the payment method allows you in here. Okay, just tap on buy and just basically do the same thing. Add in the amount of USD, select the payment method, hit on place order, wait a bit, and once that's done, you'll receive your Bitcoin under your crypto assets right here. And that is how you buy Bitcoin on Binance. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.